How to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside it, just tap on the new video option. And now here in this section, you can simply select the video that you want to edit. And here, once you have selected it, you can just tap on the add button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you have added the video in the timeline, then what you can do is simply tap on the video clip. And now here, once you have tapped on it, at the bottom, you can simply scroll through the option. And here, once you do that, you'll see the option labeled as extract audio. So here you can simply tap on it. And now here, once you have tapped on that, it will extract the audio from the video clip. Now here, what you can do is simply tap on the audio clip, and after that, you can simply tap on delete to remove it completely from the video. Or if you don't want to remove it, then what you can do is simply tap on the volume, and here you can simply set it to 0 and tap on tick as well. And that's it. That's the two ways of removing sound from a video in CapCut. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.